Good evening, everyone. My name is Mahidar. I am studying 7th standard Jilla Parishad High School, Sirpuram. Today's my project name is firefighting robot components, Arduino motor controller and motor chassis, 3 flame sensors and servo motor, pipe, battery clip, relay, switch and batteries, tires. These are our components. My team members' names Abbas, Balchin. My team member will explain.
I'm studying 8th class in Jilla Parishad High School, Sirpuram. I will explain the project. Firefighting robots are a processing solution to need for a magnetic effect firefighting tools they can use perform a verify to take includes. Robot can use sensor to detect the location of a fire. Robot can be equipment with water sprayer on other to existing fire. Robots can locate, verify and carrying to them safety. Robot can provide real-time information to firefighting, such as we forgot of the fire sensor. Firefighting robots can be operated remotely or automatically, and they can be used in solutions of human accidents in the not possible. Some advantages of using robots over traditional firefighting techniques include. I will show how it is work. First, switch on. After the fire is on. Thank you.